Hello. Nice to meet you. I am Sang Lee, Managing Director of Poen Europe GmbH. Poen provides battery engineering services and used battery remanufacturing services. We started as a Hyundai Motor Company in Ox Venture from 2020. You must know that EV industry is very promising. However, we should consider resource recirculation. Middle of picture was taken 8 years ago, Hyundai Motor Company's R&D center. I assume that country's EV battery will be thrown away at EV era. Therefore, we started to develop battery reuse technology. Right side of picture is one of the biggest problem of EV. One Tesla owner picked dynamite over costly repair. Yes, EV battery repair cost is extremely expensive. Sometimes EV owners give up their car because of extremely expensive battery repair cost. And this makes potential customers are afraid to buy EV. To promote the eco-friendly car industry, it is needed to reduce the battery pack repair cost. Therefore, Poen tried to develop EV battery remanufacturing. EV battery remanufacturing can achieve resource recirculation and provide service battery at reasonable price. It is very helpful for future-friendly car industry. Poen is aiming to be a battery engineering service platform. Our main business is battery pack remanufacturing. To achieve it, we have developed control, communication, mechanical and electrical design technology. Also, we should be able to measuring battery performance and quality. Based on these fundamental technologies, we can provide battery engineering services, R&D, and manufacturing to these global corporates. Poen makes partnership with not only Hyundai, but also Volvo, Polestar in remanufacturing. And with our reliable quality analysis skill, CATL, SKON, LG Energy Solution, and Hyundai Mobis request us to battery performance and analysis test. This is process of battery manufacturing. Battery is very dangerous and sensitive product. Through integrating fundamental technologies with reliable quality control, the manufactured EV battery could be commercialized. Battery pack remanufacturing should manage the safety and quality in both of product and process. This video shows battery remanufacturing process in Poen. It can help you understanding use the EV battery remanufacturing. This factory is Poen's battery pack remanufacturing factory. Battery is very sensitive and heavy, therefore it is needed to manage it in the warehouse. First step is cleaning. Battery is very dirty, therefore it is essential to clean up using again. After that, used battery should be analyzed what is correct problem. It is one of the most important process. Replacement. Battery is very heavy and dangerous. During this process, attention is essential. Reassembled battery must be evaluated. The key is battery capacity and quality. Before using battery again, many inspections are needed. Batteries are fundamentally chemical-based product. Because of this, they can experience early degradation and may not deliver the granted performance, unlike purely mechanical products. For this reason, even expensive batteries are sometimes replaced. However, most automotive manufacturers provide their warranty, So this is unusual, not a major concern. Nevertheless, in special cases such as an accident, if warranty repair are not available, EV owners could face significant losses. A typical battery pack contains around 400 individual cells. If just one cell fails, it can degrade the performance and quality of the remaining 399 cells, making proper replacement and repair essential. Remanufacturing can provide a reasonable solution. Why should we do EV battery pack remanufacturing? The first and main reason is cost. EV battery pack replacement cost is about 30,000 euros. Remanufactured battery pack can reduce the cost as 20% rather than new one. I assure that remanufactured battery pack is higher quality than simply repaired batteries with new module replacement. The performance of battery degrades slightly as it is used over time. Placement of degrade module in the battery pack with new one cause ongoing performance variation and stress on the existing battery modules. Remanufacturing combining modules with similar UJS levels to stabilize performance and degradation for full battery in the pack. The last reason is inventory and chemical modification problem. Battery is very heavy and bulky, therefore it needs a large storage space. And main characteristic of battery is chemistry. Therefore, prolonged storage without use can lead to performance degradation in battery. Therefore, combining using used batteries, remanufactured battery pack could be more stable than new one sold for a long time. It could reduce in terms of space, time, and degradation risk of sold battery. To repair EV battery pack and potential EV customers need remanufactured EV battery. Remanufactured EV battery could derivative various business model because it is extremely expensive. Not only for simple repair, but also cooperation with insurance company, car capital, used car dealer could be operated. With remanufactured EV battery, insurance company could make regional priced insurance program, and financial company could provide warranty program for EV owners. Therefore, EV owners don't need to worry total cost of using EV. During 5 years, Poen have provided more than 3,000 remanufactured EV battery. Our client could save more than 30 million euros. As you know, reliability is the most important factor for vehicle parts. The increasing demand show Poen's ability, capacity, quality, and trust from our clients. We are trying to expand our business to three axes to let EV owners use their vehicle with confidence and vitalize eco-friendly car industry. Remanufactured EV battery must be spread to every OEM and area. Poen is also expanding to various regions and OEMs beyond Korea. We already established subsidiary in Germany and USA and Vietnam, and setting up our German facility near Stuttgart for operating from this year. Poen Europe is establishing a battery pack remanufacturing facility with an annual capacity of about 2,000 units. If client wants further capacity, we will expand our facility. Yeah. Thank you for your listening. And if you have any question or if you are interested in Poen and battery remanufacturing services, please let me know. Thank you.